Hey kids, and hello to everyone. Are you curious about things around you? Do you love science and to learn new things? Do you want to explore science using only your laptop or smartphone? Well, you are in the right place. Welcome to Science from Scratch, where we explore basic science concepts in a fun way using simulations and games. We will be answering some of the most exciting questions that you may have, such as, what is a force? Why do I sometimes get a shock or spark?
Ouch!
Is the solar system really cool? What if I made my car tire out of glass? But I won't just give you the answers for these questions. I will be providing you the simulations and tools so you can explore and discover for yourself. So join us on this exciting adventure. Subscribe and let's explore the amazing world of science together with Pandabood.